Hi everyone, welcome back. Today it's all about how to use overripe bananas. I have a bunch of overripe bananas and I didn't know what to do. It's summertime here in the New England area and bananas become ripe so quickly. I hate throwing them. So this is what I do. I peel all the bananas and I double bag them in Ziploc covers. If you have freezer safe bags, you can do it with one. I didn't have, so I'm using two normal Ziploc bags. I make sure I put the date on. After that, there are several uses. This is what I did. I thawed two bananas. To that, I will be adding milk, baking powder or baking soda is fine if you have that, and then peanut butter and all purpose flour or wheat flour, anything will do. And now all that I did was I put everything in the blender and blended it, and that's it. Now let's go on to make some pancakes with it. These pancakes are so delicious and are filled with a ton of protein because of peanut butter. You can add more peanut butter or less peanut butter. That is your choice. Along with making pancakes, there are other uses. Here are some methi gotas for which you can add the ripe bananas and banana muffin and banana smoothie. And of course, this is banana appam, really delicious, and banana oatmeal. You got the idea. Never throw overripe bananas. Make sure you freeze them and use them. Thank you so much for watching.